everyone, I'm Fiona. Several friends has already asked me, by watching my another video, how our EPS shaping molding machine achieves a little water on the foam product surface. So today I made this video, I will explain you guys the working principle of how to achieve it. There are two types of curing for EPS shaping molding machine, water curing and vacuum curing. Generally speaking, for electronic foam products, you don't need to completely cook the foam products. Normally, it's about 80 to 90%. So, there is a tiny gap between the EPS being while melting. So, with the good vacuum system, it can accelerate the entire cooling time. By using the Milo's 0.6 bar negative pressure can vaporize the cooling water into steam inside the mold cavity. So the steam can be carried away by the vacuum system. That's simple. So in this video, you will see that there is no many water on the ground. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.